Peace be, assalamu alaikum. Many people, this is my own business. Come here, my honorable. মুসলমান ভাইদের সালাম, অন্য জাতির প্রতি আন্তরিক শুভেচ্ছা অভিনন্দন। Hello, Terai myself. I am a patient man. Come here, any people and gentlemen. Hello, listen to me. For you, there are aspirai. Why you don't care me any problem? Are you very hungry like a kid? My in pocket of something in my pocket of. Help me, my Allah. Are you very hungry? Come here, please. Today, Terai myself. Help me, my Allah. Are you very hungry? My honorable. Please come here. Hello, look after the please body care. Hello, drink clean water, clean and fresh. It's coffee man. It is very winter month. Are you very hungry? Come, this is my own business. Please, for your dry, raspberry. There is no God but Allah, Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, Prophet of Islam. Hello, man is for man. Man is mortal, Allah is speak the truth, never tell a lie. I know present time is the most important time. My parents is alive now. I have a 3 brother and 2 sister. We have my brother and sister 5. I am a 1 number. I am a married wife and 4 child. I am very proud for my family. My homeland district Khulna Bagarat. My police station Model Gons. In my country. I love my country. I am Mr. Carmen. My language Bangla. Mother language Bangla. Homeland income is always English talking. Sorry, don't travel. I come will pray for me. Allah Hafiz.